Greetings, everyone. How is everyone doing? Thank you so much for plugging in. My name is DJ. Everyone calls me DJ. I'm going to show you exactly how I trade the easiest strategy, the easiest foreign exchange strategy. I'm going to show you exactly how it works for beginners, especially the people who just got started within the foreign exchange market and you don't know where to go. Even if you've been trading the market for months and you still can't find a strategy, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be complicated. You can keep it super simple and you can find something that works for you and stick to it. That's exactly what I did. I'm on my second year now, been trading in the foreign exchange market, and I've seen some crazy results because I was able to keep it super simple. So even if you see other people are finding crazy strategies that's working, that's them. Worry about you. Find what works for you and stick to it. And that's what I was able to do, right? So I'm going to show you the easiest way to really enter the market and trade. I've been able to use this strategy to take $80 to $2,000 within just a few days because I made it my own. And that's really the key to trading in this market, right? So here it is. We have European dollar versus the New Zealand dollar, right? So it's really up to you what pair you want to trade. But before you get inside of a trade, you want to make sure that you're analyzing the market in that pair first before you go right into getting in the trade, right? So you want to make sure you find a good entry. And how exactly we do that is by analyzing the chart. So here's what I do. The market moves in M's and W's. It's the easiest strategies to trade. As you can see, you might not be able to see it right now, but the moment I start to mark it up, you'll be able to notice, oh wow, she's right, it is in M's and W's, right? So we're going to lock in this tool and I'm going to show you how to identify your M's and W's. So here we have a W. Here we have a W. I'm going to zoom in after and show you exactly how you'd enter. And here we have an M, right? Here we have an M. And then another W right there. Another W right there, right? And then the market drops, right? This would be a triple bottom. And then we have a small M right there. Boom, boom, boom. As we zoom more into the market, you'll be able to see. So now you're seeing, okay, she's right. The market is moving in M's and W's. I'm able to see it more. And even if we move more to the side, you're able to see M and W's, right? All the way up, boom. Long as you're able to identify that, and then we have a little consolidation right there. You don't have to mark up the consolidation area because we do not trade in consolidation. We trade when the market breaks out, when the market's going up and when it's going down. But when it's consolidating, you not trade, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how we find an entry. So I'm able to mark up my M's and W's on a 1 hour time frame, but then I place my entry on a smaller time frame. So once you're able to zoom in, here is what you do. You will mark up your support and resistance for you to find your entry. You would mark up the top and then you would mark up the bottom, the highest and the lowest for the day, right? You see what I was able to do? And I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see much better. And you see from this jump right here, the market broke out on a 15-minute time frame at this candle. And this would be your entry right there. Your entry would be right in this area right there. And then you would enter for a buy and you would profit about, let's count it, 240 pips, roughly 240 pips, literally M's and W's. M's and W's, and the market really never fails. This hasn't failed me not once. Well, it's not going to be always 100%, but there's most of the times this really works, right? Don't just rely on one confirmation, but this is a super easy strategy that I've been able to teach a lot of people who's been able to get it. So I'm going to show you how it works on the M as well, right? So we're here marking up the highest for the day, boom. And then we mark up the lowest for the day. We mark up the lowest, and as we zoom in, we see that the market broke after consolidation. It broke right down the middle, and your entry would indeed be right there. The moment you enter, right, you would have profited, let's calculate, you would have profited 140 pips roughly, right? You'd profit 140 pips, right? So this is literally the easiest strategy that I've been able to use. Mark up your support and resistance, right? Find your entry right after the break and enter and let the market do its thing, and you'll see the results. Let me know in the comments if you tried this and it works. Please, 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 please properly manage your risks, right? Properly manage your risks. If you have your Metatrader 4 app and you're entering on this trade, you want to make sure that you're catching your entry and you're getting in and out with the bag. So everybody, you can still use this same strategy for high frequency Forex, for binary options, or just trading regular Forex on Metatrader 4. You can still use the same strategy. I trade all of them and I still use the same method. It still works. So definitely let me know how that went for you, and I'll be looking forward to the comments, right? Subscribe. I will be posting a whole lot more video. I did post a video about the foreign exchange market all the way down in my videos. Scroll all the way down and you'll see the very first video where I spoke about the market and what exactly foreign exchange is. And this video was really to just show a lot of people things that people don't really notice, especially for beginners. If you're getting inside the market, this strategy is literally the easiest strategy for you. It's worked and it's great, and it's made me some crazy money. Trust me, you do not have to be complicated. Just keep it super simple and get in and out with the bag. All right? Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Until the next video, have a great one.